Max's autonomous rebar tying robot will face various challenges in the construction field, especially in unexpected situations like accidental coffee spill. However, its biggest advantage is its ability to work continuously without getting sick or questioning instructions. Given the current labor crisis and shifting government policy, it is likely that this technology will become an essential asset for contractors in the coming year. As the shortage of skilled labor continues to grow, the need for automated solutions will also increase. What are your thoughts on this?